In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sync settings on iPhone. We will walk through exactly where to tap so you can decide which apps share their data through iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gray gear. Once Settings is open, you will see a long list of options, starting with your Apple account at the very top and general options further down. Tap your name at the top. This is your Apple ID section, and it controls things like iCloud and purchases. When you tap it, a new screen opens with your name, phone number, and email, and several options such as password and security, payment and shipping, and iCloud. Tap iCloud. From here you control what information is stored and synced through your Apple account. When the iCloud screen opens, you will see storage information at the top, then options such as iCloud Backup, iCloud Drive, and a list of apps using iCloud. Tap See All next to Save to iCloud. This expands the shorter list into a full list of apps and features that can store data in iCloud. After you tap it, the screen will scroll to show many more items, often including contacts, calendars, messages, photos, and third-party apps that support iCloud. You will see the apps and features that can sync with iCloud. Each entry has a name and usually a short description under it. Some will already have syncing enabled, and some might be off. A beginner tip here: if you do not recognize an app, it often belongs to a feature you rarely use, so you may want to leave it as it is. Tap an app or feature. For example, you could tap Photos, Notes, or another app in the list. When you tap one, a new screen opens for that item, usually with one or more toggle switches and sometimes a short explanation above them, so you can understand what type of data is involved. Turn Sync this iPhone on or off. If the switch is green, that means this iPhone is currently syncing that app's data with iCloud. Tapping it once turns it off and the switch turns gray. Many people do not realize the change takes effect right away. There is no extra save button. If the feature offers more than one toggle, make sure you read each label before changing them. Repeat for any other apps you want to change. You can tap the back button in the top left, then pick another app from the list. Take a moment to go through your most used apps, like your calendar, notes, and any work apps, so only what you really want is syncing. For iCloud Drive, go to Settings, then your name, then iCloud, then Drive, then turn on or off Sync this iPhone. Once you change this, files in the Files app under iCloud Drive will either sync with your other Apple devices or stay only on this iPhone, depending on your choice. Important: turning off iCloud syncing for an app does not always remove the existing data from iCloud. It usually just stops new changes from this iPhone. If the same app is still syncing on another device, that device can still see and update the data that already exists in iCloud. You have now customized which apps and files sync with iCloud on your iPhone. If this helped you take control of your sync settings, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear walkthroughs like this.